Dr. Rose from Natural Transplants, and we're here with Brittany for her 1 year follow-up. Hi, Brittany.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. How you doing?
I'm good.
So tell me, you look fantastic. What's
Thank you.
going on with your life after the surgery?
My life after the surgery has been good. As far as the hair growing back, it really does grow back. It really is your hair. It really does get long in the front, and I'm able to wear my hair in styles with my hair back. And I mean, you're not. You don't have those same feelings of being self conscious anymore. Those feelings are gone. So, any insecurities you have about that, they disappear because your hair's just filled in.
That's amazing. Wow. And it's been transformative for you,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, it's been transformative. It's been an amazing ride.
Wonderful. So tell me, what kind of hairstylings have you been doing or trying out?
I have really been wearing braids and crochet styles. I know that's not recommended, but I make sure my edges are not tight, and
Okay.
I make sure I go to someone I trust to do my hair, and they know that I had a transplant, so they know not to braid my hair too tight, not even have them like leave out hair and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the only thing I really can't do right now because I you can't get a perm before a year, so I couldn't get a perm to wear a short haircut or anything like that. So that's all I've been doing. But my hair, I do check my hair, and it hasn't come out at all. It's very strong.
Good,
Like,
good. Yeah, that's because we take
yeah,
the hair from the back
yeah.
and we move it in the front.
Hmm.
And tell us just about your edges and how you've been feeling.
Okay. Well, they grew all the way in, and as I went through the journey, like the first month, like it's very shocking. Like when you first get it done, it's very shocking to see yourself look like that. But your body starts to heal, and you start to see hair grow in, and then you see it like fill up and get a lot thicker to the point where you can do something with it. You have to do something with it because it's really growing and it's really getting long. So around maybe about 8 or 9 months, you start to see a lot of growth, and
Wow.
then yeah, 10, 11 months, like your hair is just really, like they say, like it really is maturing, like it really matures, and you really watch it do that. Yeah.
It's pretty incredible, right? It's like I always say it's like a little tiny seed that grows a
Mhm.
tiny little sproutling, and then in a
Mhm.
year, the full hair is almost like a full tree. So you've got to go
Right.
through that whole process and have faith, which it sounds like you definitely were
Right.
waiting for that year, but it does grow. And then
Mhm.
that's your permanent hair. So that's
Mhm.
yours.
Right, right. And it's the best money I ever spent. I always
Oh,
People ask me how much I paid, and I tell them, I'm like, I don't regret it. It's the best money I ever spent. This is something I had insecurity about for a long time. I think my hair has always been like on the thinner side around my edges. So even as a kid, they weren't my edges weren't ever full. Like they've always been very susceptible to breakage and pulling. So I mean, this is the first time I haven't had to worry about that. So that's an insecurity I don't have. Like even getting braids, I would freak out when I was younger about getting braids because I
sure.
knew my hair wasn't really strong around the edges, and a lot of times it would come off when I was younger. And I didn't even wear braids a lot, but I don't worry about that now. I get them. I tell them not to braid it too tight, and I'm fine. When I take it out, the hair is still very strong, and I'm very shocked because
That's
that's
awesome.
never happened before. So.
And that gives you the freedom to kind of wear different styles,
Mhm.
and this hair is going to grow even longer. You know, you're at
Mhm.
1 year, so it's just going to continue growing as it would in the back. So
Mhm. Right.
yeah, that's
And
incredible. We're
then
super happy.
the scarring, the scar, I, my scar, I don't know where it is anymore. Let me see. I know where it is on the I can feel it. I can feel like it's not really noticeable, but I can feel the point of where it started, like on the, I don't know. I have my head is shaped really funny, but like I have like I call it an elbow in the back of my head. it's like a little point here. I can only feel like a little bit of where they started, but like you can't feel it. Like it's not noticeable, and no one can find it. I don't even like I can't feel it when
That's
I
amazing. Amazing, yes. And that's the only remnants, and that's not even noticeable. So
mm-hmm.
That's
the hair goes right back over the scar, and like it, you go on, around. It takes like your head will really be sensitive. The first like 2 months, your head is really sensitive because you have all this like your hair is like adjusting to a surgery
right.
and anesthesia. But I mean, it starts to.
It goes away. Yeah.
It goes away. Mm-hmm.
And then this is your permanent hair, and you don't have to think about it again. So.
Right. One of the best decisions I've ever made, and I try to tend more to be on the natural side. I'm not a really vain person, but this is one thing like I would recommend to people who are going through hair loss or who because it's just something checked off the box. You don't have to worry about this anymore. So yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I'm so happy for you. You look beautiful. It's very natural. If you can, just let's see. Turn to the side slowly. Okay, so let's just see that beautiful frame. Okay, and look down. Okay, great. And then let's see the other side. Okay, look up. Yeah, wow. Love it. Love it.
Right.
Okay. And we'll put your before and afters up, and that's the before, and we're not going back there. So I'm glad. Thank you so much for sharing your story with everybody, and just enjoy your new hairline.
Thank you, Dr. Rose. It was a good experience.
I'm so glad. We enjoyed having you too.
I know.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.